Barrister Kendem Innocent Kengaso. In today's slot, I will be bringing you in on the adoption procedure in Cameroon. What is adoption? It's a question anyone can ask, but it's as simple as merely change of legal custody from the biological parents to the adoptive parents. It gives the adoptive parents full custody, physically and legal custody of the child. In Cameroon, adoption can be possible for a minor below the age of 18, and adoption is prohibited between the same bloodline. You can't adopt your own son or that of your sister or brother. Paradoxically, we find it happening here and there, which of course is illegal. However, the procedure is not clearly set out within the laws. The 2006 law on judicial organization, of course, in Cameroon, as amended in 2011, particularly in section 18, sub 1b, gives the High Court the competence and jurisdiction to entertain applications for adoption. However, to be able to access the court, you must prove that you are resident within the jurisdiction of that court, which is the onus on the applicant to prove. The legislator has not specifically pinpointed the procedure in one law, nor the requirements. However, practice perspective has made it in such a way that litigants can still access the court by putting together the different laws available on this subject matter. As I earlier said, the 2006 law on judicial organization gives the High Court the competence, but we must have a fallback on the 1981 ordinance organizing the civil status registration as amended in 2011, particularly in section 40, 41, sub 2, and 43, sub 2, that allows for adoption in Cameroon. But it doesn't state the type of application nor the required documents. For you to access the court, you must come by way of an originating motion supported by an affidavit wherein the applicant is expected to depose as to why, set forth reasons why he wishes to adopt the said minor. And there are a few requirements to be satisfied.
As lawyers, we should be the fortress of the oppressed and the nemesis of the oppressor. Have a nice day, my people. I'm Angabwa Cho Angabwa Esquire, a barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria and Cameroon. I'm a notary public of the Southwest Court of Appeal in Cameroon. I'm an associate member of the Asian Dispute Resolution in Korea. I currently hold an LMB from the University of Boya, an LB from the Nigerian Law School, and a postgraduate diploma in computer science from the Women Empowerment Center in Kumba. I'm currently enrolled at the University of Boya on a master's research program. My focus area as a legal practitioner is centered around the advisory, legal and compliance services with focus on maritime law, taxation and corporate law.